Your 20s can set you up for freedom or trap you in debt. The money mistakes you make now can follow you for decades. But here's the good news. Avoid these 7 mistakes, and you'll be way ahead of most people your age. This is Budget and Beyond. If you're in your 20s, or even just starting your financial journey, today's video will save you years of stress. I'll break down the 7 biggest money mistakes young adults make, how to avoid them, and how to set yourself up for financial freedom. When I got my first paycheck, I thought, finally, I can spend without asking my parents. A few weeks later, I was broke, with no idea where my money went. That's what happens when you don't budget. Without a plan, your money disappears. Create a simple budget. Rent, bills, savings first, fun second. Think of a budget not as restriction, but as a roadmap for your goals. Swipe now, regret later. I once bought a $500 gadget on a credit card, thinking I'd pay it off next month. 6 months later, I was still paying interest. Credit cards are useful tools, but living on them is dangerous. If you can't pay the balance in full, don't buy it. Debt is easy to get into, and very hard to escape. Picture this. Your car breaks down, or you suddenly lose your job. Without savings, one surprise can throw you into debt. That's why an emergency fund is essential. Start small. Even $500 can save you from swiping your credit card in a crisis. Over time, aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Future you will thank you. Here's the truth. Time is your biggest financial asset. Let's say you invest $200 a month in your 20s. By retirement, that could grow to nearly $300,000 or more. Wait until your 30s, and you'll have to invest double to catch up. Compound interest rewards the early. Even if it's just $50 a month, start now. I get it. New clothes, fancy dinners, weekend trips. You worked hard and you want to enjoy your money, but lifestyle creep is sneaky. Every time your income grows, so does your spending. Before you know it, you're making more, but saving nothing. The fix? Live below your means. Every raise is a chance to save more, not spend more. One of the best investments you can make in your 20s isn't in the stock market, it's in yourself. The skills you learn now, coding, marketing, financial literacy, even public speaking, can increase your earning power for life. Don't just coast through your 20s. Use this decade to build skills that pay off forever. Here's the final mistake. Drifting without a plan. No savings goals, no idea what you want in 5 years. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear. Want to buy a house? Travel? Retire early? Write it down. A clear goal makes it easier to skip short-term spending because you're working towards something bigger. Imagine yourself 10 years from now. You'll either look back and be grateful you avoided these mistakes, or you'll wish you had started sooner. The choice is being made right now, today, with the habits you build. So tell me, which of these mistakes are you guilty of? Drop your honest answer in the comments. No judgment, we're all learning. And if you're serious about building financial freedom, hit that subscribe button. This is Budget and Beyond, where your journey to wealth starts today.